to about shoulders distance apart. We're just going to start with a little shaking. Lifting through the heels if you can, feeling the wrists shaking as well. Maybe a little nod in the head if the neck feels comfortable. Just letting go. Knocking loose any stress and tension. You can imagine that if you're a tree, you're shaking those leaves down to the ground. Just letting go. Shoulders are relaxed. Breaking up any tension, stagnation. Letting go of anything that you don't want to bring with you into the next season of fall. And then gently coming back to standing. Bringing the hands so that the palms are face up, about 2 to 3 inches between the fingertips. Shoulders relax. Inhaling, hands come up. As they're at the heart, palms turn down, gently sinking the energy down. This is balancing fire and water. Just bringing that balance to the body of the yin and the yang. Drawing that water energy up. As you exhale, fire energy down. Just finding that balance. Starting to make full, deep breaths into the lungs as you do this, inhaling up, exhaling down. The shoulders stay relaxed the whole time. Sinking down. Inhaling and exhaling. Nice. Grounding here in Wuji posture. Shoulders are relaxed, tall through the crown. Palms are facing the floor, slightly out in front of you, and shoulders are relaxed. Just starting to connect to that earth energy. Honoring that late summer. Deep inhales. Exhales. Gently bringing the hands so the palms are facing each other with the fingertips pointing away from you. You're going to take the legs out a little bit wider than shoulder distance. We're finding our earth energy. Palms turn flat as you come out. Bending through the knees. Inhaling back to center. Palms flat towards the floor. Circling out. Big ripples in the pond. Palms out. I'm going to turn so you can see a little bit better. This is pebble in the pond. So we have a little bit of a lean, but it's very small, and the shoulders stay back. They're not pushing out at all, no reaching. Pebble in the pond. Breathing. Exhaling as you come out. Inhaling to center. Connecting to that earth energy and bringing it to that low energy center. Shoulders stay relaxed. And sometimes we think of the earth and grounding as kind of slowing us down. But really it's taking the time to be connected, being aware and using that energy and nutrients of the earth and what comes from the earth. Collecting that energy, one more. Back to standing, nice. out a little bit. And from here, we're going to start to move into the fall, which is the middle or the lungs. Finding where your arm meets the body, you're going to start to kind of massage into that area. This is where the lung acupressure points are. Just massaging up and down, just becoming aware if it's a little sore or not, and just kind of loosening up those areas. And when you're ready, switching sides. Same as that kind of line where the arm attaches to the body. Breathing. Letting go of any tension that might be stored there. And gently releasing back down. We're going to do a little bit more shaking, lifting under the toes, letting go of anything that may have come up, just letting go of any tension, any unwanted thoughts, any stress. Staying in your body. Breathing. And gently coming back to standing. Nice. Bringing those hands so that the palms are faced up again, like we did for balancing fire and water. And now we're going to draw up on the inhale. As you get to the heart, hands face the heart, palms turn away, lifting up. Exhaling, hands towards the floor, towards the heart, and up towards the sky. Stay with this movement, inhaling up, palms turn away, lifting. Not a super tall reach, shoulders stay relaxed, exhaling, pushing down. So bringing that earth energy in. Heart, up to the sky. You kind of have the hands turning up, exhaling, bringing the sky down to the heart, into the low energy center. Inhaling. Breathing. Palms towards the heart. Towards the sky. Inhaling. This time as you exhale, feeling and imagining a white light in the lungs, kind of like you're scanning down. Bring this white light. White is the color of the lung and metal element in Qigong. Scanning up. Full deep breaths into the lung area, exhaling, scanning that white bright light down. Inhaling up. Exhaling, scanning that energy down, bringing it to the lungs. Starting to activate that healthy immune system. Sinking that energy. One more time. Full breath into the lungs. Exhaling, scanning that white light down. Holding in low embrace the tree, shoulders are relaxed, tall through the crown. Taking a couple deep inhales and exhales here. Noticing any differences in the body. Bring the hands back out so the palms are facing each other, fingertips are away from you. And you're going to mostly keep the arm in this position as we move. So you're going to inhale up. As you exhale, shoulders stay relaxed, gently compressing the energy down. So it's kind of like you've got a big energy ball, fully expanding. Exhaling, sinking it to the low energy center. Inhaling, opening. Exhaling, sinking. Inhaling, expanding that white light. Exhaling, sinking it down. Staying with the breath. One more. To exhale, holding at the bottom. Feeling the energy ball. Taking a little bit of a step out to wider than shoulder distance and just playing with that ball. Moving from side to side. Rolling it forward. And then gently reversing. Full deep inhales and exhales. Rolling the ball forward. And gently coming back to center. Taking those feet back to shoulder distance, shoulders relaxed. Inhaling, sweeping up on the inhale. Exhaling, sinking the energy down. Inhaling, scooping up the energy you've cultivated. Exhaling, sinking down. This time, if you'd like, you can add on to the exhales the sound for the lungs, which it kind of sounds like a bee, like a zzz, buzzing around. I don't know if it's going to pick that up. So you inhale up, and either staying with just your normal exhale or adding on the zzz. Inhaling up, exhaling. One more time, inhaling. Taking one palm on top of the other, face up, the low belly. And starting to let the energy sink. Any energy that's not being used, just preparing to be stored to be used later. Bring the feet closer together. Preparing for bamboo in the wind, just letting the body move and sway wherever it needs to move. Letting the energy go where it needs to go. Connected to your feet and the earth, grounding and tall and relaxed above that earth. When you sway and you catch yourself, it's kind of telling your nervous system unconsciously that when you go a little off center, that you can catch yourself. Shoulders relaxed, coming back to center. Taking the feet out to shoulder distance. Hands flat to the low belly. might be hanging on as you are stepping forward into fall.